Guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah, update here on Tesla, guys. Ticker TSLA, trading on the Nasdaq. We have here a massive crash. This is more than just a correction, guys. We already lost here minus 54%. Yeah, why I'm still bullish on Tesla, that is not, of course, here financial advice to buy Tesla now. I show you where I expect the price to go, where are the price levels, because I already predicted here the short squeeze for Tesla when we came back here to $136, guys. I made a lot of videos here on my channel, and I will try to predict here the next squeeze or what happened here next in the market. As I said, this is not financial advice. This is my opinion based on the chart. Yo guys, there is a reason why I do this video right now, because we just tried to leave here one of the most significant price levels. If you already know my channel, then you know that my main purpose is to educate you in trading. So we will dive here into the chart for Tesla. I will enable my drawings here in a second, but I just want to show you here the quick picture. So I don't know what the news are telling you, yeah, or if they are bearish on Tesla, guys. I mean, yeah, when you bought Tesla here in 2019, the price was here in the $13–15 range. And you can see that we squeezed here to $488. So there is nothing bearish on Tesla, guys. Yeah, this is here a strong correction. We had that once, and we have that now, of course, again. Why? Because Tesla started here to squeeze. I also will show you the squeeze price levels. That is not surprising here. And it's also not surprising that we come back down, because we gapped up here a couple of times. These orange fields here in the chart, guys, or these orange lines, are open gaps to the downside, and the algos have to fill those open gaps. And as you can see, guys, the next open gap for Tesla in the daily chart here is waiting at $218. So that makes just sense that we close that gap, but that doesn't mean that the bottom is in there. So guys, before we dive in here into the chart, I want to show you really quick that I also try to predict here short squeezes. So Tesla is, of course, a very bullish stock, but not a traditional short squeeze play anymore. Yeah, we had here a massive squeeze back in the days. 2020 and 21 was, of course, crazy for the stock market, and of course we could see that happening again. But as I said, there are much more stocks out there with high squeeze potential, and this is my second mission here. First, I want to educate you in trading. My second mission is to predict short squeezes, guys. I love to do that, and we had just yesterday here one short squeeze. Yeah, when I made the screenshot, this ticker squeezed 120%. In total, we had here a 170% squeeze, and that is one of my hot stocks, guys. So what are my hot stocks? I release those videos every Sunday on Patreon, and these tickers or these videos here contain tickers with high squeeze potential, where I expect those tickers to squeeze in the very few next days. There is never a guarantee, but I just want to show you here with this example that I said here to my members that the algo demand zone is waiting between 25 and 18 cents. This ticker exactly hit 25 cents here, almost on the dot, guys, and then we had this massive squeeze reaction one day after I released this video on Patreon, guys. Yeah, the week before we had the same. There I made a post on Patreon with the algo liquidity zone here. The green line is the algo liquidity zone, guys. The ticker came down here for 2 days. I posted that and said, hey guys, listen, this is the support level here. Boom, and we squeezed 136% one day later. Yeah, I don't want to hype you up. There is no guarantee, but we have a lot of short squeeze opportunities in the market. And if you want to see here my secret short squeeze stocks, guys, you can join us here on Patreon. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have, where every day new members joining in. And it's not only the hot stocks which I present there or the trading alerts. Also, you get here trading tutorials, a member FAQ section, weekly top 5 US short squeeze stocks, and so on, guys. The link is here, patreon.com /blackbelttrader, or you can go here in the video description and you will find the link to the Patreon membership, guys. So yo, let's enable now the drawings for Tesla. Here we go, guys, and nothing changed. As I said, nothing changed. I don't need all those down gaps here, because the chart is already telling me what I need to know. And we have just 2 price levels for Tesla, guys. And the first, most important here, this is also where I started here to make a lot of videos about Tesla, because this is a very significant price level. $180, guys, is here a bullish demand zone, where usually the dip is in. So that means when Tesla goes below $180. The big boys start buying. You can see here this massive squeeze reaction here. We dip below that. This is here, yeah, a typical knife pattern in the chart here. You can see this knife constellation here, and this is what the big boys doing here to, yeah, manipulate the price to shake retail investors out of their positions. And what is the result, guys? After these shakeouts here, Tesla just squeezed like nothing. A stock like Tesla with $714 billion market capital just squeezed 114% in a couple of days, guys. This is what the market is doing. Yeah, market gives and takes. Yeah, and you need to know where are the price levels. So the reason for the video is right now that the next make it or break it price level for Tesla is $231. And as I'm recording this video here right now, guys, you can see that we try to retest this price level right now, failed. Yeah, we have here a candle wick, and that's why I said the next level is to close the open gap. Does that mean that the retest failed? No, guys. In my opinion, you can wait here 2 or 3 trading days. So if we come lower than that and don't regain here in the next 2 or 3 trading days, then I think the retest is, or the break of this here is confirmed. And especially, sorry, especially when the market makers use gap down. So what is very possible that Tesla even start to gap down here to the lower price range. But if $231 is not the support, where is the next support, guys? Yeah, it's very simple. We will come back down to the price levels before. I don't know, guys. I would not say that $214 is a support. It is also a critical price level. We can see that because Tesla gapped up here. You can see we have here a gap up and also here a gap down. So somewhere here in that range, also some algos are waiting. Maybe it's $208. But as I said, for me, not strong enough to talk about this price level here. I think you can see that here in the chart that we have some touch points here. No doubt about that. $207, but as I said, not strong enough to confirm a short squeeze. I think, guys, between $200 and $180 is the landing zone here for Tesla. I will draw that line for you that we can see that, just to keep that in mind, that there is a potential support waiting here at $208. You can see that here. Let's mark that in blue. But as I said, it is here. You can see when we, that's why I say it's not a strong support, because we had technical reactions here, but never we started to build a bottom. That's what I mean, guys. Yeah, when we break this price level here, that doesn't mean that we start to build a bottom. We gap down here as well. Algos are waiting here, but the most important bullish support zone, guys, is $180, or Tesla is maybe able to regain here the price back over $231. That could be here just a fake out before we see a technical reaction. The market is quite bearish in March, guys. This is normal. This is nothing special. But what we have right now is that we maybe see a bear market coming. A bear market will come 100%, guys, sooner or later. But I think the decision will be in the next, also this week or latest next week. That's why I released also a video here on the S&P 500. Please check that out as well. And if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, also you can see that I was absolute on the dot, perfect right with my landing zones, which I calculated for Tesla. As soon as Tesla hit the second landing zone at $483.99, we got rejected. This is what I draw before we squeezed there, guys. You can see the previous videos here. So if you want to copy here my price levels, guys, the program what you see here is called TradingView. And if you want to learn trading, guys, please watch my content, join us here on Patreon, and get yourself this chart program, guys. I use that for all my videos and all my trades. If you want to get TradingView today, I can offer you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. Also, this special discount link here is available in the video description. Yeah, my friends, that was the quick and dirty update. You can pause the video if you want to copy the price levels here. As I said, make it or break it is still $231. No doubt about that. You can see that this acts like a squeeze trigger here for Tesla. That might be a fake out. Maybe we, come down here in the $200 range, yeah, before we see a reversal. If that does not happen here in the next days, guys, or if we don't gap up in the next days, then I think, guys, we will come back down here in the $190, $180 range, or even lower. I will keep you updated on Tesla. If you don't want to miss any updates, please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Tesla Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.